Hello everyone, welcome to No Fear Cooking. I am Magda. I'm going to do a new dessert for you, and it's pumpkin pie every Thanksgiving for everyone. Well, today we are going to do something new. It's a praline, and this is the part of the praline pumpkin torte. Tortes are very, very good, versatile, and everybody's going to love it. And also, is no fear. It's going to be 4 steps, and I'm going to have them lay out each step one by one, 4 of them. And you're going to say at the end of this presentation that, oh my goodness, it's so good. Everybody for this Thanksgiving will love this torte, and it's going to be a wonderful Thanksgiving. So let's start with the first step. I'm going to put this away so nobody will get really hungry for the cake till I'm going to do the presentation. So I have this oven started 350, and we are starting with the first step of the cake. We are going to do a sauce for praline. Very no fear to do it, and I'm going to, it's warm already. I'm going to start with a 10 tablespoons of butter, and they have to melt. And once that melts, if I put the oven on, so 10 tablespoons for the sauce, for the praline sauce, and then we'll move to a second part that we're going to do the cake. But this is the first one, and it's going pretty good. Once this is all melted, I'm going to put, actually I don't have to wait to melt it. They'll melt together with 1.5 cups of brown sugar. So let's put the brown sugar in. Very good taste of this torte. You're going to enjoy it for a new tradition for Thanksgiving. And also 6 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. That will make it really creamy. Really nice sauce for the praline bottom of the torte. And also I have to talk quick about the pecans. I chopped them last night, or you may buy them already chopped, 1.5 cups, and I might just use about 1 cup and have extra on the top of the cake. Let's leave this to melt. Will take another minute or so. I'm going to wait till it's melting. Meanwhile, let's get organized with the second step. I'm going to move my cake nice here. Everybody can enjoy it, and we'll cut in it once we are done. Second step, I have a big knife here that I'm going to cut a piece of cake. Second step, and I have everything ready here. It's going to be very easy. 2 cups of flour, purpose flour, any flour that you like to use is good. And I'm going to do the dry ingredients in this bowl for the second step. And I have baking powder, 2 teaspoons, baking soda, all spices for pumpkin. You can use anything you like for a spice, and a teaspoon of salt. So let's dump everything in here. I think this way is going to mix better with the flour if I use it this way. Oh, look at this. All right, so I have all the spices there in the flour. Second cup is going to go nice. If you don't want to do this step together like this, it's fine. Oh, my first step of our sauce is right here, and it's ready. All mixed. You may cook it just for about a minute. You don't have to do it for too long. It's all incorporated, and that's pretty much what we like to do. Let me see for another. Oh, this is great. It's all nice melted, and all the ingredients are together, very well incorporated. And now the first step is done. Let me put away, we have the dry ingredients. Let's move this away, making a little bit more room so I can explain what we're going to do. we are going to get ready the pans for the torte. And I have a little paper here. I put a little bit butter so it will stay together. I don't have to do this one because the cream has a lot of butter in. So what I'm going to do for you, I'm just going to show you what I do. For the praline, you just need to do a little bit sauce at the bottom, rotate it. Very nice. It's a little bit warm, but not too bad. And we're going to leave it on the side. I bought this little peppermint paper already nice and round like that. So this is good. This is good. And I need right away while it's warm to do half a cup of pecans on the bottom. And you'll see how nice your cake is going to come just because this step. Yes, and going to see all this part here. See all these nuts? And the sauce is because we did this step, which is wonderful. Now, I'm going to do the same thing for the second pan. Let's put a little bit, just enough to go all around, all around. It smells so good. All this nice butter that it's already melted, and the brown sugar, and half a cup again of the pecans that you have to smell small pieces, make them, crush them, and the leftover we'll use at the end of the torte when it's done. So this part is nice and finished. It's going to cool just enough while we are making our batter. First step is done, the sauce, the cream, the dry ingredients. Now let's do the wet ingredients. Will take us 2 minutes. This is very no fear, dessert to make. Let's put the 4 eggs in, and right on top we are going to put a cup of butter, canola oil. It's very good. That's what I've been using, and I'm giving a stir. You really need just to incorporate everything. Doesn't need a lot of mixing. Now I'm going to put the 2 cups of pumpkin. And again, it's a canned pumpkin. I love it. It's all natural. If you like to do your own pumpkin, you're well for that. You can bake it, and you have to puree it very quick, and it's going to be wonderful. Now it's going to go 1 cup and 1/3 of sugar right on here. And I'm not going to stop till I have it all done. And for the amount of cake, it's not too sweet. You'll see it when it's done. And just about a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Done. Now let's mix it for about a minute. I mixed everything for about a minute to a minute and a half. And now just let's add the dry ingredients in 2 sections. And I have to do it one more time, and that's all. Incorporate everything nice. All mixed in. Now let's have it in the 2 pans. Try to be half and half if you can. And let's see. Yeah. And then we'll put them to bake, and you'll be amazed of this wonderful cake. I'm going to do a little bit of this for everyone to be sure that I have enough, kind of equal. And then we'll divide the rest. Again, they'll go in the oven for 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. We'll check them in about 30 minutes to be sure they're done, not overly cooked. Let me see, take 1 more spoon here, 1 more slice. Good, let me put this is heavy, so it's all done. It will get nice and even when it's in the oven. And the part of the torte, it's ready. This was the second and third steps done. We just have one more and we'll be done. I'm going to shake it a little bit so we'll get evenly here, and I'm going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes. I'll check them at 25. See you in 30 minutes. We are having our 2 pans are out of the oven, 30 minutes, 350, and the cake should be done now in 1, 2, 3, all finished. So the 2 parts, these are pans, they're round 10 inches. Oh, it's a little bit hot, but I have to flip it. Oh, let me show you. I went inside, it's perfectly clean. I keep this on very close by. It's helping me a lot to see if the cake sits ready. Let me put a glove, and I have to flip each one, and you will see what I am telling you, how pretty this cake it is on the bottom. Oh, the torte is going to be amazing. Now this should come pretty easy out, and it is. Well, look. It did that the other time for me too. The paper got a little bit of the cake, but it's okay. The pretty part is still perfect. So one is done. Let me do the second one, and we need to let them cool for about 20 minutes. And in that time, we are going to do what we put in the middle of our torte. So let's flip this one also. Let's see. You don't have to put that minced paper if you don't want to, but it will happen the same thing. You're going to lose some of the cake. Okay, let's see. Yep. Oh, this is better. Haha, this is better. Oh, the praline, you can see it. This is the praline part. This we're going to take it apart, and we're going to just not use it. I'm going to eat it later. All done, a little bit messy here, but not too bad. So, the cake part, Babette, what do you look for? Is it smell good? Oh, I need to drop this. All right, good. All organizing. We are going to do the cream for the middle, just like what we have here. And a 1 3/4 cups of heavy whipping cream. Probably cool, that's what they're saying, that should be cool, and a drop of vanilla. So about 1/4 cup of the vanilla, and let's have it about 3 minutes. This will make it a nice heavy whipping cream ready for the dessert. On the whipped cream that we are going to put in our Praline Pumpkin Torte takes about 4 minutes. 3 minutes without the sugar, and the last 1 minute you add just 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. This way you control the sugar, or you can use this. This is okay too. It's not really sweet, so you can spray it all around. I'm coming back in half an hour to finish this torte. It's very warm. If I put this whipping cream on it, it's going to go flop. So we don't want to do that to our pumpkin torte. It's delicious, looks very good. If you are upset with these empty spots, just add maybe a teaspoon of your extra cream that we made for our torte. I'm going to do this, and I'll put maybe a little bit of the nuts, just a tiny bit. And we'll see you in 30 minutes to finish it together. Gourmet baby, what did you like? Smells good, a pumpkin? Smells delicious? They're ready. They had about half an hour to cool. And look at this, it's still warm under. Do you see that, Nathaniel? We have to, that's why we need to wait a little bit more. So let's start to assemble our wonderful, let me see, I hope I'm not going to break it now. Okay, oops, yep, that's not bad. The first part layer is done for our nice dessert for Thanksgiving, Praline Pumpkin Torte. Look at this. And now we can add our whipping cream as much as you want to, or a little bit. Again, I just use 1 3/4 cups. We'll have all the measurements. If I talk and sometimes I made a mistake, please look at the ingredients we're going to have listed. All this is good. And now the second part is going. So you can look for the best part that looks good. And I'll just flip it quick, a little bit, and then done. Wonderful. Let me wipe my hands. And this is a new dessert for you. Try it for your Thanksgiving. This is the Thanksgiving that everybody should enjoy this year. We all can get together again, pretty much. On the top, do again a little bit, as much as you want to. I'm just going to put a little bit, not too much, because I want to show off this pretty praline sauce, or whatever you like to call it. It's a cream that is delicious. If you like to just a little bit drizzle, a couple more, or on the side, you are very welcome. You have plenty left. If it's getting cool too fast, just warm it up and just drip a couple more of the sauce. And again, couple of the pecans on top, just a little bit, not much, just a little bit. Just drizzle a little. And I'm going to cut a slice for you. You can design whatever you like to. I'm going to cut a slice, and you can see it. Blaine loves it.
What's that smell?
Oh,
What's that smell? Oh my
the
God.
pumpkin, the
So
pumpkin.
good. Oh my
I
goodness,
know.
look at this.
I'm going to have a big slice.
Holy moly.
Oops, sorry. It's a wonderful dessert this
delicious.
year. Please try it ahead.
I couldn't read my book. I had to come out. Oh, look at that. So light
What
and
do you
fluffy.
think? It is very delicious. Oops, I'm going to leave it on the side for you to see it. Let me show you this part. Oh, look at that. And this was made 2 days ago because I had to make it for somebody. It's wonderful. Today, tomorrow, and yesterday was very good. I'm going to have a bite because you know what? It smells too good. And it's very light. It's not... You have a lot of good flavors in this torte. Enjoy it. Happy Thanksgiving. These were my newest thing. Manja manja, pofte bună. Till next time, and write us, subscribe, and give us a note. Goodbye.